Welcome back to another episode of Cast With Us. So I know this river we're fishing, lots of logs, lots of rocks on there. That means lots of snags. So today I'm going to give you guys a tip on every time you get snagged, you use this tip. Works 95% of the time. So here it is, check it out. Oh, snagged a good lure? Are you kidding me? I got a snag. Alright, this is a strategy you use if you snag. You literally just put your hand right here and you walk straight back. Oh my god, it worked. Wow, there's your fishing tip for the day. I don't even have to catch a fish now. Let's go. That strategy, I'm telling you, works 99% of the time. Another snag. Wow, come on. We're gonna try this strategy again. Right here, hand on the reel, walk back. Look, that's how simple it is every single time. It's like a carnival trick. It just works. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna fish on this side anymore. I got one. Got a damn snag. Is this a fish? All right. Here's the final test. Hand right here. Oh, it's just smooth as butter every time. Look at that, every time, smooth as butter. We have our lure back.
Oh no.
Snagged?
Yeah.
You gotta use a strategy.
Fuck your strategy.
Come on, use a strategy.
I'm scared.
Put your hand on it. No, walk straight back.
I got it! Oh my god!
Oh, I told you, it works. It works. It works. The strategy works. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video and use that fishing tip to get out of a lot of snags in your future fishing adventures. If you guys liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys aren't already subscribed to our channel, that'd be much appreciated if you guys subscribe. And if you haven't already checked out our Instagram, Cast With Us, we feature people, daily fishing tips. Go check it out, and any comments on today's video, just leave them down below and we'll check them out. Thank you, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode of Cast With Us.